expand for this question, okay? You'll generally see this word, expand. Yeah, and then I'll have something like this. We'll call this question A. It might be 2 brackets A plus 3. If you think you know, pause the video, because you might have seen this in school. This is more high school, secondary topic, okay? If you think you know, pause the video, have a go. Right then, so I'm going to show you a method now. This is called the claw method, okay? So all this means, it's basically going to go 2 multiplied by the A. Just to remind you, this is following on from my lesson on multiplying terms, okay? Yeah, I'm not going to go too much into multiplying individual numbers and letters together, just more for the brackets in this video. You have to watch my other video on multiplying terms for that. So you have 2 multiplied by A, which gets us 2A. Then you go to 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. And it's plus 6, because it's 2 multiplied by a positive 3, which is why it's positive 6. And that is the answer for that question. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's see if we know what to do from that example. So let's say we've got 4 brackets B plus 5. So pause the video, have a go at that one. Right, okay, so hopefully you might have got part of it. You can use that example to help you. So this time it's 4 times B, which is 4B. 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. And that's it. You can also, so this is the answer here, write that as 20 plus 4B. And like this one, you can write that as 6 plus 2A. Okay? So, there's 2 examples. Let's step it up. Okay? So, still on expanding. Right, let's see if we've got 6 brackets 4 minus M. I like to use different letters because in an exam, they use any letter, okay? Yeah, it's not just always X's, Y's, and A's. It can be any letter. So pause it. Have I got this one? Right then, so 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. 6 multiplied by minus M. Be careful, that minus catches everyone out. Is minus 6M. And that is it. That is the answer for this one. Hopefully you pause the video, you're having a go. See how much you can do. Right, let's go to the next one. Let's say we've got 7 and it's C minus 3. Okay, pause it, expand this one. Right, hopefully you had a go. Yeah, it's important you can just do a little bit because that's learning then. You're going to take it more if you can do it before I go through it. So 7 times C is 7C. 7 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 21. Yeah, there's your next answer. Right, okay, so let's box this off. I'm going to step it up that little bit more, okay? Right. E. Let's change up slightly now. So let's say we've got 2M brackets 4 plus M. Right, let's see. So pause the video, have a go at that one. Okay, so 2M times 4. Should have got this one because it's just what's 4 lots of 2M, and that's just 8M. Right, 2M times M. Right. Hopefully we got 2. I reckon a lot of us could have put like 4M or 2MM. That's a common answer that a lot of my students make a mistake with. So the 2 bit is right, but then M times M is M squared, yeah? I'll just write that up here. M times M equals M squared. Just like, 4 multiplied by 4. I know the answer's 16, but you can write that simplified as 4 squared. Works same with letters. I explained that in the last video. Right, let's do another one. Let's see if we've got it. So let's go to 8D, and then that'll be D. Let's go minus 2. So pause it. I've got that one. Right, 8D times D. Same as 2M times M, apart from just an 8 there, and D squared minus 16D. And that's it. Okay, right, next one. In an exam, could be 2 marks. You might get a mark for each one, each term you get right. In a bigger question, it might just be 1 mark. You know, if it's a big 5-mark question, this is just one part of it. Okay, so it's, you know, it's really useful marks. We need to be getting these. Okay, yeah. Just remember that keyword expand. This is what it means: expanding a bracket out. Right. Let's do another one. So let's go to P brackets P plus 3. Have a go at that one. So pause it, make sure you have a go. Right, so P times P is P squared plus P times 3 equals 3P. Remember, you can write that the other way around as well. P squared plus 3P is the same as 3P plus P squared. Like this one, you could also rewrite this as minus 16D plus 8D squared, okay? Yeah, it's important that you understand the different ways you can write it. Right, we'll do one last one. Okay, last question. There's loads of varieties. You know, I couldn't make a video long enough to go through every single possibility, but these are just a lot of the most common ones, the main ones, okay? And when I do more videos, more exam revision, and the really tricky, weird, odd questions, I'll really try and incorporate them weird ones that really can make it confusing, okay? Right, so last one. Let's have a go at this one. Let's say we've got y squared. I'll do an awkward one now, just this one. Y squared and y plus x. Ooh, there we go. This will separate people now. This will divide. Right, pause the video. Have a go, expand the bracket. Right, so this one, y squared times y is y cubed. I wonder who got that one. Now y squared times x is, I had to think about the alphabet then, is x y squared, that one. You can technically write that as y squared x, but generally just keep it alphabetical order, because when you get really complicated ones, you've got loads of letters, it's easier if you've got it all in alphabetical order. Okay, it just makes your life easier, especially if someone struggles at maths, you find it really challenging. The more simplified we can make it, the easier it is going to be, okay? Right, this is expanding single brackets. As I said before, there's a lot of other different types and varieties, and I will do more of those types in other videos and more like tricky exam questions as well. Hopefully this gave you a good idea of it, okay? Good idea of it. Remember, this follows on from multiplying terms as well. So, this has been Maths with Jacko. I'm Brother Jacko, your online maths teacher. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. I'll see you next time.